Now we will look into the nomenclature IUPAC system of alcohol. So here alkane E is replaced by the suffix OL, so we get the alkanol, which is the alcohol. So in order to name the alcohol using the IUPAC system, in the first step what we have to do is we have to follow the longest chain rule. So under the longest chain rule, so we have to identify the longest carbon chain in which the OH group is attached. And after identifying the longest chain, then we have to go for the lowest number rule, where coming in lowest number rule, you have to number the carbon atoms. And when we number the carbon atoms, then we have to make sure that you have to give a lowest possible number to the carbon atom where the functional group, that is OH, is attached. After that, we have to identify the prefix, root word, and suffix. Prefix means you have to identify prefix now with the substituents, and root word you have to count the number of carbon atoms. And coming to the suffix, you have to check where the OH is being attached, functional group is being attached. So in order to identify the prefix, we have to always write the number in the front corresponding to the position and name of the substance, that is the alkyl group. So when we identify the prefix, always write the number, the carbon number in which that prefix is located first. Then we have to name the substance. So in this example, substance is CH3, which means there is only one C, so it is methyl. And this methyl is located in substance, that is methyl is located in carbon 5, so it will be 5-methyl. Again, when you do this, there is two conditions. The condition is, so if there is more than one similar substituents, in the earlier example we have just one substance CH3, but in case if there is more than one substituents, we have to use the term like di, tri as a prefix. So in this example shown, so here there is two prefix attached in carbon number 2 and carbon number 4. So you have to write the carbon location, the number of carbon atoms location first, that is 2, 4, and since there is 2 CH3, so you have to use, it is trimethyl. Second condition, condition 2 is if there is different types of substituents attached to the carbon chain, again you have to name it alphabetically in alphabetical order. For example, like in this example, you have two substances, that is CH3 and C2H5OH. So first you have to always write the carbon number location, that is, so 2-ethyl, alphabetical E comes before M, so it is 2-ethyl, then methyl is located in carbon 4, so it is 2-ethyl, 4-methyl. Then after identifying the prefix, we have to go for the root word. So in the root word also, you have to always write a number in the front and then give the root word. But if there is only one OH group attached as shown in this example, so in this example, so you have to, if there is only one functional group present, that is OH group present, then you have to use, then you have to attach, we have to write the number of the carbon atoms and give the root words. You have to write the location of the carbon atom and give the root word. So in this example, I have, so here, there is only one OH present, functional group present, that is OH one only present, only one OH present, so it will be 1-butene. OH functional group is located in the first carbon chain, so it will be 1-butene, or it can be written as butane 1. So you have to remove the E from the alkane, so actually it should be butane, so you have to remove the E because we have to replace it with the suffix OL towards the end. And in condition 2, now if there is more than one OH group present, if there is more than one functional group, then ending E will be retained. So in this example, you see there is two OH group present, one in carbon 1 and the second one in carbon 2. So it will be 1,2-butane. So you can see E is retained, or it can be butane 1,2. After identifying the root words, then you have to go for the suffix. So in suffix, we usually use OL after the root words. And there is two conditions again. So if there is only one OH group attached, then E is replaced with OL. So it can be here, in this example, it can be butanol, or it can be butane 1-OL, if there is only one OH attached. In condition 2, if there is more than 2 OH attached to it, if there is 2, we can use di, if there is 3, we can use tri as a prefix, and as a suffix, we will use the OL. So here you see there is 2 OH group present, functional group present, so it can be butane 1,2-diol because there is 2 OH, because there is, it can be butane 1,2-diol because there is 2 OH, or it can be 1,2-butane-diol. If there is 3, it will be trial. If there is 4, it will be tetriol. If you have time, so you can try solving this question. And if you have not followed, so subscribe my YouTube channel.